Will you come back to India? Will you come back to India?
One question.
Will you come back to
One
India?
question.
Will you come back to India
One
and
question.
face the right now the investigation is on by Mumbai Police, ordered by the Maharashtra Chief
One
Minister.
question at a time.
Will you come back and face this particular inquiry? You think that you should come back and face this inquiry when this thing is going on at this point of time?
But there are two questions. The first 3 or 4 questions that were asked have already been answered in my 30 major allegations under the media. Even these 2 questions have been answered. You see, for your satisfaction, I'll answer again. The first question was that why has Indian government, Information Broadcasting Ministry, has banned Peace TV? First of all, the point to be noted, we applied to the INB, Information and Broadcasting Ministry of India, for downlinking rights in the year 2008. Let me give you the background for better understanding. Many people say Peace TV is illegal. Point number 1, Peace TV is a legal satellite spiritual entertainment channel which is uplink from Dubai as well as from London. Both have got separate license, it's a legal channel, and both are independent, both have different board of directors. Now, today in the world, most of the countries do not require a downlinking permission. But there are some countries, or rather many countries, I think it's less than 50%, who require a downlinking permission. Amongst them, there is UK, there is Pakistan, there is India. India in the year 2006 said that any channel which has to be shown on the cable TV requires a downlinking permission. Now, in 2008, we applied, in 2008, Peace TV applied for the downlinking permission, and the INB did not give without stating any reason. It said it's confidential, it is Home Ministry. Again, Peace TV applied, they didn't give the permission. So you are asking me this question, I am asking to the INB that why hasn't INB, Ministry of India, have given the downlinking permission for Peace TV? Why? When UK, which is the strictest country in the world for having downlinking permission, and it has an Ofcom regulatory body which is very strict, they have given us the permission. What I want to know, and I request you to ask the INB why they have not given. Just by saying security reason or just by saying confidential, that doesn't work.
Zakir Naik,
Where is the question? It will be banned. Then we go, please listen, ma'am.
ABP,
I have not
ABP, yes, yeah.
Dr. Naik. The downlinking permission. So where is the question of it being banned? The ban can only be there if a country has a downlinking permission, and if the country has given downlinking permission, then the question of ban arises. On those countries where downlinking permission is not required, then that country can put a ban. There is no country in the world that I know of where Peace TV is banned. If you want to say, though technically it's not correct, that India has banned because it gives a list in the last couple of years, it gave a list of the country, of the channels which don't have downlinking permission, and they are very popular in India. Most of them were Pakistani channels, and others mainly were Muslim channels. That's from Saudi Arabia, that shows the Makkah Salah. The second channel is from Medina, it shows the Medina Salah, and as well as Peace TV. And if someone says, today there are more than 27,000 satellite channels in the world, and in India less than 1,000 have the downlinking permission. So would you say that more than 26,000 channels in the world are illegal? And it's totally wrong to say that more than 26,000 channels in the world are illegal. That means more than 96 channels in the world are illegal. Just because downlinking permission is not given, it doesn't become illegal channel. Yes, it may be illegal for the cable operator to show it. Regarding ban, the only country technically if you want to say India has done, okay, I've got no problem. But technically, only one country a few days back, that is Bangladesh, has put a ban on Peace TV. And I would like to ask the Bangladesh government also, and the Information and Broadcasting Ministry of Bangladesh, that why have they banned? Show me one program in Peace TV which is detrimental or not conducive to the society of Bangladesh or India. I would like to ask the media, why have they banned? And all these clips that are shown, these clips are out of context. See, in UK, they have a regulatory body. You point out one full program, not clip of 2 seconds or just just a clip of 10 seconds or 1 minute, the full clip in context. I challenge anyone, any of the media to show a full program, a full episode of Peace TV, which is not conducive for the country of India or not conducive for the country of Bangladesh. So that's the reason you're asking me the question why it is banned, even I don't know. And I would like the media to ask the INB to show me at least few programs.
Dr. Naik,
I'm not for society. What you're showing is clips from the YouTube, from the social media. These clips that's shown from which is shown on the social media, which is doctored. Some of them are doctored. Many of them are out of context. They cannot be held responsible. All the clip that is shown, it is shown somewhere else. What I would like